Let's say you have worked hours editing a picture and now you are ready to export it and show it to everyone. But you notice that your exported picture looks a lot different than the edited picture. So what is the reason behind it and how we can solve it? All I'm going to explain in this video. So let's get started. So here's the picture that I was working on. At the bottom you can see the name of the file. If you click on it, you will get the information about the picture and also the color profile that you are currently working on. So as you can see that we are currently in CYMK color profile. CYMK is mostly used for printing purposes, and of course I don't want to print this picture. I want to view it on my screen and maybe upload it on my social media account. So if you want to view it on screen, then you will have to convert the profile to RGB. RGB is best for screen and it will also be supported by social media platforms like Instagram. So how to convert this picture from CYMK to RGB color profile? For that you will have to go to edit and select convert to profile. Here you will see profile and a drop down menu in front of it. Select working RGB from here and click on OK. So here's the exported image. As you can see that there's no difference between the edited version and the exported version. So that's how you can change the color profile of your image. But there's a problem. When you convert your profile, all the layers will be merged into one layer and you will not be able to make any changes to those adjustment layers. So I have a kind of workaround for this problem. Basically you should not change your color profile while you are in the process of editing. You can either change it when you are importing your image before applying any adjustment. Just change the color profile first, then apply your adjustments. And the other method is completing your edit first, and in the end when you are done, merge all layers into one by clicking Alt, Ctrl, Shift and E. Merging the layers is not necessary, but it will eliminate the possibility of any error. And then convert the profile. So basically whenever you see such problems, all you have to do is convert the color profile to working RGB. You can either do it while you are importing the image before applying any adjustment, or you can complete the edit and then change the profile. So that's it guys. I hope this video was helpful in solving your problem. Few months earlier I was facing this problem and I remember I was so irritated by it, and then I found that how simple the solution was. So thank you for watching. If you want more tutorials, you can subscribe to the channel. My name is Abhash. I will see you next time.